especially in classics. 1973 Plymouth Roadrunner two-door coupe. Yes, this is a true Roadrunner. Not representing this one as numbers matching. It has a 360 V8 underneath the hood, and that is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Would be D21 on the data tag, so it's the HD 4-speed manual transmission. Also equipped with power steering, power brakes. Let you get a good look at the front. Chrome headlight surrounds, bright work grille. As you can see by the luster and reflection coming off the paint, it does show well. Black highlights, those are painted and cleared over. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, interior trunk underside, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. We can always be called at 507-386-1726 also. Riding on weld polished aluminum wheels, Goodyear radials. Was originally a console car with black bucket vinyl seats, still set up that way. Interior looks fairly stock, the way it would have rolled off the showroom floor back in 1973, and you can see down the side of that car is straight, not really full of a lot of nicks, dings, or scratches. Yes, as with any car, it's going to have a few imperfections here and there, but overall, you can tell this one shows nice. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Dual exhaust coming out of that 360. To check out the rear chrome and flat black wing on this one. Now, there are a few things that are going to go along with this also. We'll have in the trunk a few extra floor mats. It has had a Holley Street Demon carburetor installed on it. Extra door panel. Box with some miscellaneous taillights, trim pieces. And then there is a hood release cable. Right now you have to reach up underneath, kind of up by the grill, pop the hood. And there's some seat belts in that bag right there. And then there's also a little bit of paint in that box. So that stuff will also be with the car in the trunk, FYI. And again, still pictures if you want to see the trunk, the underside, the engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Let's go ahead and take a look down the driver's side here. And again, you can see paint has a very nice shine to it. Not full of a lot of nicks, dings, or scratches. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. Again, black vinyl buckets, that 4-speed on the console. I did notice there are a few of the top button caps that have popped off, just so you know on that. Seats have been reupholstered along the line somewhere. Check out the door panel. Nice shape. All right. I'm going to start this up. You'll see the oil pressure come up. You're also going to see, check the fuel gauge works, goes up and will settle back down. Alternator gauge. And I'm assuming the temperature gauge will go up with temp of the engine. I've not had the AM radio working. It's like a factory AM radio. Wipers do work. Check out the dash. Not cracked, sun-baked, faded, anything like that. And as you can see, oops, get my pen out of the way here. As you can see, the passenger seat, vinyl in nice shape, as well as the rear seat. Good sounding car. Let's slip out. Let you check out the headliner here too. And there will be pictures of all this. Sorry about that glare with the lights. There will be pictures of that in the still pictures also. All right. Slip around to the back. Nice little rumble coming out of that 360. Slip up to the front of this. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get the hood open so you can check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, there's the 360 again. Powered Street Demon 4-barrel carburetor on there. Aluminum radiator. Power steering, power brakes. Fender tag is still on the car also as far as data tag or fender tag. Right over here, and there is a still picture of that in with the rest of the pictures of this car. So there you go, 1973 Plymouth Roadrunner. 2-door coupe, 360, 4-speed manual car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.